A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at IMTEX Day 2, Hall number 2B at Italian Trade Pavilion. We are happy to have Mr. Antonietta Baccanari, Trade Commissioner, Italian Trade Agency, New Delhi. Mr. Nilesh Joshi, Italian Machinery Desk, UCIMU Desk, we can say in India. So we wanted to start this conversation. Antonietta, tell us more about ITA initiatives in the country.
Yeah, sure. The Italian Trade Agency is the government agency which supports Italian companies abroad in their internationalization policies. At the same time, we help companies to organize their participation to trade exhibition. We organize trade delegation to India, and vice versa. We organize incoming for Indian buyers to the main Italian exhibitions. On the other side, we also support the Indian investments to Italy. So this is we are now here. What we are planning to do in India is in different sectors through our offices in India. Our main office is in New Delhi, and we have got another office in Mumbai and a desk in Bangalore. Through our offices, we try to support and assist the Italian companies that are interested to discover more about the Indian market.
And I see a beautiful pavilion here at IMTEX. And so tell me more about your experience bringing all those machine tool companies and about this show.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we are very proud to have organized this pavilion together with our colleague from UCIMU, because it's the first time that after 10 years that we are back with an Italian national pavilion. We are here with 12 companies from a different part of Italy, and we really think that this is the right moment to be here to showcase the quality and the high technology of Italian products. What I'm seeing here, this is my first time visiting this exhibition, it's really the sensation that the market here in India is really booming. The atmosphere is the very good vibes, and the atmosphere is very vibrant. And there is even the feedback that we are getting from the Italian companies. They are confirming the same feeling. I mean, there is really great interest from different sectors, from the aerospace to the electronics to automotive, but there is really an increased demand for machinery with high performance and high quality. Maybe you want to add something more about it?
Will you add anything, Nilesh?
Yes, rightly said by Ms. Baccanari that we are very happy to be back in IMTEX with a full strength, with a pavilion consisting of 12 Italian companies showcasing their advanced technology, advanced solutions for various sectors. If you see the overall presence of Italian companies in IMTEX, the number goes to the 30, which includes the Italian pavilion companies, direct presence, and through their Indian subsidiaries. It highlights the importance of the Indian market for the Italian machine tool companies, as well as the confidence which the Indian companies are showing into the Italian technology.
And before, my last question, Antonietta, it's a compliment plus a question also. I see your marketing and social media is now very active. Like whichever show ITA is participating, I see that your team is working hard to make sure your content, your ads are seen everywhere. So is this a new strategy you are adding?
Yeah, no,
Create a buzz.
Yeah, I mean, that's for sure that we want to be seen as much as possible. As you can see, there is a green brand over there indicate the Italian pavilion, and we know that there is an increasing interest from Italian companies towards this market. So for us, it's very important to let know to Indian customers that we are here, we are available to discover more opportunities, because we strongly believe there is a huge area of possibilities of collaboration and cooperation between Indian and Italian companies. That's for sure. You will keep seeing us as much as possible.
Thank you, Antonietta. Thank you, Nilesh. I'm looking forward to work with ITA and UCIMU for years to come. Thank you.
Absolutely.
For the time.
Thank you.
Wish you a great show. Thanks,
Thank you.
Nilesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.